My name is JP. I'm a mobile mechanic. I'm in the backyard right here. I just finished a little contraption for helping out the mechanics that work on the Toyota Tacomas, the pre-runners, with the lifters, the shims, and the shims that are attached to the shells on here. The problem is that getting these things off. They're not you can't get them off, so they're locked in. So I made this device that's pretty neat. What it consists of just a bolt that goes through a two pieces of plywood. The plywood is I cut them out. The bolt first is 2.5 3/4 inch bolt, and the head on it is 7/8. So then once you get that out on there, you drill the hole in the center, and then you use a block of wood to mount it on, because you need a firm surface. And then after you drill it out, the hole, you put the bolt in, and then you use your Makita to mount it. You drill to mount it to the block of wood. Like that there. And of course these are all the tools that you would use for the job. You've got your shim, and then a hammer, and I'm using a dowel pin here. So the bolt that's sticking out of the wood is a certain height. It's the same height as one of these. So you take it and you set it right on there, and make sure it's sticking out far enough so it just barely touches the there's an inner little press knob in there that releases it. So you press it, you hold it like that there. Take a hammer and your dowel. What we see here. Another tool here. This is a little it came out of a door. It's a doorway, part of a locking mechanism. It's the same diameter that I need. So if you take it, you try to go it through it, it won't go through. It doesn't. So but it fits right on the
set this on here,
so it catches the
center
edge.
it, and you take your tool, set that on it. So what it's doing is just catching the outer lip of that shell.
And a hammer.
And then I use a dowel.
And you tap it like that there.
A dowel right over here. And you use your little mini screwdriver to put underneath it. And lift it off. And then what I do is I use a pair of little tweezers I've got here.